Hi everybody. Today I want to share with you one of the most interesting things I have discussed before, but not particularly with one company in mind. And this is the absolute mix of where the world is going to experiential living, experiential real estate. I'm just fascinated. I love it. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about how this just gives another shout out to real estate. It gives another ramp up to real estate. And of course, real estate, as I say, real estate is everywhere. Everywhere is real estate. A shout out to a company that I really think is just changing the face of real estate, changing the face of how we live and how we work and how we integrate the two. And that's a company by the name of Neighbourgood, based in Cape Town. Absolutely a front runner, just fantastic to see, amazing to watch what they're up to. And it's really about co-living and co-working connected, the connectivity between the two. I really love the fact that you are left to live and to earn your income and they just do the rest. There is just so much about this company that they are getting it right, whether it be your entertainment, your rooftop gardens, your veggie gardens, your yoga, your gym, your storage, connectivity, discounts, meals, shared kitchens, shared lounge areas, just so much and so cost effective. And on the work side, shared offices, computer systems, Wi-Fi, high speed, slick, neat, boardrooms, offices, meeting rooms. Really interesting how they just have managed to hit the sweet spot of everything. Watch this space, as I can only see a lot more companies following suit and copying. And if this is a new trend, I think it's amazing. I think it's a wonderful service to a community. Happy investing.